are watching WAP, Sound of the Gavel Network. The Wisconsin Association of Parliamentarians is a state association that received its charter from the National Association of Parliamentarians in July 1959. Information about the National Association of Parliamentarians is available on their website, parliamentarians.org. Hello and welcome. My name is Robert Schuck, the president of the Wisconsin Association of Parliamentarians. April is Parliamentary Law Month, and we're here to celebrate with you some of our memories as an association. Last year, Wisconsin celebrated its 60th anniversary. Way to go to all the members, active and past. In Wisconsin, there are two local units of the National Association of Parliamentarians. They are the Madison Unit and the Milwaukee County Unit. The units provide an opportunity for members to study and practice Robert's Rules of Order together, in addition to networking and socializing. You may learn more about the units by going to their individual Facebook pages as well.